أحوالك؟
الحمد لله.
كويس؟
خير إن شاء الله. ما بس إدريس.
Is basically to support countries as well as
tiri ama Somaliland hay'adaha samafalka qaramada midoobay kale kuma eka
rather he already mentioned everything that I think many of us were feeling. You know that this country is being destroyed, so nobody is helping. So how can we get help?
But the great majority are young men usually that are very poor, very desperate, with nothing to do.
What we're dealing with here is youth because of unemployment, because of lack of jobs here, lack of opportunities, getting distressed and all that, joining militant groups to just get and make a living. What we're talking about is people earning $20 to go and lay a bomb on the roadside. Such a thing is what we're dealing with here. So the most important thing and these building projects usually do is create jobs for them, make them an alternative life, teach them skills. We're talking about vocational training skills for them. We're talking about public works like Fatiha said, so that at least they can make an alternative form of life.
They felt that they have been marginalized. The international community is not paying attention to them and even challenging us. You know, here we come again to their community on a walking tour, if you wish, or a driving tour, and then we're out of here, and what have we left behind? So I think I had to tell them very frankly, please don't think of it that way. Don't think of us coming here and giving you something for you personally that you can benefit from, but think of the community. So we talked about then the whole question of the Al-Shabaab threat and the youths who have been recruited and how they're ready to defect now. So many are defecting. So why don't we target those youths, you know, deal with them, you know, try to bring them back into society in the best way we can so that the threat is gone, because the threat has multiple impacts on this community.